All right, here's the roof. Got to replace that one right there. Looks okay over here. That's our little buddies next door. That's one right there. Not too bad through here. A little dirty. Once we get to the top though, that was a bad repair. Got to do that. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. That's definitely got to be repaired. This definitely has to be repaired. So that's 2, 3. At least 4. We can probably glue that one, glue that one. Glue this one. Glue that one. It's not too bad. Definitely got to replace that. Got to replace that one and that one. So we're at 4 or 5 now. And got to replace that one. So we're at right about 5 or 6, the ones that we have.